JavaScript hoisting is one of those topics everybody thinks they understand until they open the console and JavaScript embarrasses them publicly. You've heard things like JavaScript moves variables to the top, or functions are hoisted but variables are not. Yeah, those are half-truths, and half-truths are how bugs are born. So today, no vibes, no fairy tales. We are explaining hoisting without lies. Let's kill the biggest myth immediately. JavaScript does not move your code to the top. Nothing is physically arranged. Your file stays exactly the way you wrote it. If hoisting actually moved code, JavaScript engines would need therapy.
Imagine being called the cancer patient or the diabetic patient.
What actually happens is way less magical and way more boring, and that's why tutorials avoid it. Think of JavaScript like a school exam day. Before the exam starts, the teacher enters the class, writes the list of student names, assigns everyone a seat. Nobody has answered the question yet. No exam has started. That preparation phase is hoisting. JavaScript is doing the same thing, listing variable, listing functions, reserving space for them in memory. Nothing is being used yet. It's just set up. When JavaScript runs your file, it doesn't execute it line by line immediately. First, it does a memory creation phase. In that phase, JavaScript scans your code, figures out what variables and functions exist, allocates memory for them. Execution only starts after this setup.
3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of spaceship.
No magic, no rearranging, just preparation. Now, let's map var, let, and const to the classroom. var is the student who has a seat, but no exam paper yet. So if the teacher calls their name, they answer, I am here, but I have nothing. That's why this code looks undefined. Seat, yes. Value, not yet. Let and const. These students have their names on the list, but are not allowed to sit yet. So if the teacher calls them early, instant punishment. The punishment is the temporal dead zone, not scary, just strict rules. Function declarations are like teachers. They are fully ready before class starts, so this works. But function expressions, those are students. They follow the same rules as let and const. Same classroom, different authority. So remember this forever. Hoisting equals classroom setup. No one is answering questions yet. var gets a seat with no paper. Let and const wait outside. Function declarations run the classroom. Once you see it this way, JavaScript stops feeling unpredictable. It's not weird, it's discipline. If this explanation finally makes hoisting click, drop a like so I know I'm not shouting into the void. Share this with someone who still thinks JavaScript moves code to the top. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.